Good morning, everybody. Today on the menu is Philly cheesesteak. Not any other Philly cheesesteak, but this is going to be a coronavirus version of Philly cheesesteak. I've been on a lockdown for like, I don't know, 3 weeks now. So we're going to use what's in my fridge. It's not going to be a classic, but it's going to be great. Let's do it. So for this version of Philly steak, we're going to use the steak here, these peppers that I have in the fridge, mushrooms, French roll, mozzarella cheese. That is it. This is what we're going to use to make this Philly steak sandwich at home. It's going to be delicious, trust me. Alright, this is what it looks like. It's all diced up, sliced up, ready to go. So you got the steak seasoned with salt and pepper, peppers, mushrooms, cheese, and always the secret ingredient, Kerrygold Irish butter, the best thing on planet Earth. Let's go make this Philly steak sandwich. Some butter in there. Whoa. With the peppers, mushrooms, while this is going on, I'm going to toast the bread here. Soak it in butter. Let it heat up. This gets good. Then add the meat. Mix it. Let it do its thing. Back to bread. See what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Got the back side of it. Get some more of the butter. Yeah. Put that here. Mix that up. Shake it up. Looks good. That looks good. It's going to be nice and crispy and toasty and buttery. You cannot go wrong with that. This is a little, the pan is too big. You can buy a smaller pan. It's alright though. Alright. That looks real good. Now I gotta take the cheese, mozzarella, right on top of that. Gonna go right on top. Don't be shy with the cheese. Okay. Look at that. It's a cheese steak sandwich, my friend. Now we're gonna go put the sandwich here, melt that cheese. Alright, it's halfway doing its thing. I'm gonna push it back in. Another minute or two to be done. Alright, this bad boy is ready. Let me tell you what let me show you what it looks like. Ooh. out. This looks like an amazing cheesesteak. Beautiful. Look, nice, beautiful crust on that bread. Nice and crusty and crunchy. Look at that. Listen to that. Oh, the cheese melted perfectly. The mozzarella. I can't wait to bite into this. This is going to be really good. Look at this guy. What a beautiful steak sandwich. Homemade at home. Let me cut it. See how it turned out. Nice. Nice clean cut. Ooh, oof. Look at that. Look at that. That's homemade, brother. Look at that. That is homemade at home. With leftovers. With leftovers. Look at that. Leftovers. Look at that. Oof. Bite into it. You should hear the beautiful sounds of great tasting food. Who eats cheesesteaks for breakfast? I do. Who eats pasta for breakfast? I do. Who eats pizza for breakfast? I do. Let me take another bite. Wow. It's so easy to make. It's so easy to make. Why would you go out and buy this when it's so easy to make? Buy your own steak, buy your own peppers, onions, whatever you want to put in there, mushrooms. Make it yourself. It's easy, simple. You know it's clean. You know it's good. You know you handled it right. You can't beat it. Nobody, no restaurant can make this better. I'm telling you, you make it in your own home. And like always, no professional tools needed. Whatever you have in your kitchen, that's all you use. Salute. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.